hold on me, won't let go of me.
This morning we took the metro over to Exhibition Centre and took exit B2 to Golden Bauhinia Square.
Won't set me free, won't leave me be. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in.
The sculpture here was an important symbol for Hong Kong people after the handover.
I can't get away from you, you pull me in. You're sweet, Lord, it is too much for me. You got me on my knees. I know I should just walk away.
We then headed to M&S for breakfast. It was so nice to have a taste of England.
I can't shake it, I can't break it.
We walked around Wan Chai and Causeway Bay.
From you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in. I can't shake it, I can't break it, I can't get away from you, you pull me in, you pull me in, you pull me in, you pull me in, you pull me
We just took the 25 bus from Causeway Bay up to Braemar Hill. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, where there's supposed to be a little hike, so we'll see. You can get off near St Joan of Arc Secondary School. It's not such a hard walk, but I recommend having bug spray and also decent footwear because the floor is a little bit uneven. But there are plenty of older people up here hiking, so I definitely think it's not too difficult, but if you do have mobility issues, maybe this one isn't for you. I don't think you can tell how big this spider is. I'm pretty far away. And you can see, holy. So we are actually a bit lost because the trail was closed and now we're lost. I take back what I said about it not being hard work. If you want the views that we've just seen, you need to basically go on your hands and knees and climb up sandy rocks. So I do recommend good footwear and good physical health. Yeah, I mean it's hot here today, it's well into its 30s, so we are dripping with sweat, but it was worth the views. So this is the second monster spider that we've seen on this hike. It's so big, you can't even judge how big it is on camera.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
After the hike, we took the minibus back to Causeway Bay and got the metro metro over to Kennedy Town.
We know what we
You can tell that this is the photo spot because it's the only place in this whole court where there's loads of people.
call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before sleep,
For lunch we went to Pizzeria Italia.
side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
We then got the metro back to Central and walked to IFC2 to the bus terminal to get the #1 bus to Victoria Peak. This costs $11.80, but you can use your Octopus card.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road.
We are now at the peak, looking to see the views of Hong Kong. This hike is a round trip to Lugard Lookout. However, the road was closed, so we couldn't get to the lookout point.
You start to get dressed.
The views here are so stunning.
We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter, it's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight.
After our hike, we got the bus back to Central, cleaned ourselves up and headed back to Central again to explore the bar streets. Ferry over to Sim Shatsway. are currently in K Bar, which is one of the nicest bars in Hong Kong with an incredible view. And our alcoholic cocktails were completely free, and that was thanks to the $100 gift that we get for entering into Hong Kong. So thank you, Hong Kong. Miyu, how do you feel? Me too. Yeah, I don't know how we managed that, but free drinks are one of the best bars.
Yeah.
And I really thought they'd turn us away because I'm wearing sandals and loose shorts on.
It's amazing.
Still let us through.
Definitely try it.
Yeah, definitely recommend it. And the staff were really like, yeah, fine, whatever. So, good.